Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. The second tutorial related to Google Classroom is being recorded, and this session is actually for the students, in which we will teach them how to join a class on Google Classroom. And for this purpose, main thing is students also must have a Gmail ID. So right now I'm working as an student. The code from the particular class has been copied, and the task that will be followed, or the steps that will be followed, will be: first the URL classroom.google.com, then I shall enter with the other ID, and it requires the confirmation message. And now I have signed in into the classroom. To join a classroom of a particular teacher, I need to click on the plus sign, and this time I shall click on join class. Got it. Now class code is required, that will be shared by the subject teachers in the group. So I shall place the code here, which I already have copied, and then I shall click on join. Wait a little, and now I have entered into the class, that is class 803, and here I can see an assignment that was posted by the teacher, and the students can click on it, and then assignment will be opened. Okay, it is already mentioned here: binary and hexadecimal number system, 20 points for the assignment, and the task is to attempt activity 1.1 and 1.2 in your copies, and the due date is July 20 by 10 a.m. in the morning. Okay, now if the task is done by me on any document type of softwares, or I have done the assignment in copy and pictures have been shot, then this option will be used to submit the assignment. Here it is mentioned your work. Click on next. Got it. Now my files are already saved in the system. I shall click on add or create. Click on file. I shall select a random file from my computer system. Select files from your device, and then I do click on this diagram. Click on open. If there are more files, then you can upload multiple files by click on this add more files button. Click on upload, and the assignment will be uploaded here through my ID, and then I shall click turn in. Here is a message appeared on my screen: one attachment will be submitted for binary and hexadecimal number system. An image is selected, and then click on turn in. So my assignment has been submitted and it has been sent to the teacher. Okay, then if I want to go to the other classes in which I've been assigned, then click on classroom. All the classes will be shown here which are joined by the student. So now I'm ending this video. Another tutorial video recorded for the teachers, that how to check assignments on Google Classroom. Okay, Allah Hafiz everyone.